This is the Arrowhead brass PK6008LK or loose key stem assembly for the 460 series faucets. Now, the loose key stems, instead of having the splined end that the handle is going to connect to, it's going to have a square to allow the key to connect and turn on and off the faucet. Now, the stem is going to come complete with the check assembly and the nylon washer that'll sit in between that nut on the packing nut and the faucet. Now the total length of this stem, they're going to measure the same way as any other stem, just total length from where the handle would connect all the way down to the end of the check assembly with it pressed into the body of the stem. The best way we found to measure it is just to hook your tape to the end of that check assembly, make sure it's pressed in. You can see this one's going to measure right at 12 inches. And once again, this was the Arrowhead brass PK6008 loose key stem assembly.